If you're in a room and there are a bunch of people in there and someone walks up to you and says, don't look now, what is the first thing you want to do? Heck, you want to look even more than before, right? The person, no, the person says, don't look. Something's going on over there, but I don't want you to look at it. You are going to have an overwhelming urge to look. Now, you may control yourself and not do it, but for sure at that moment, your attention is split. You're thinking about what's going on behind you, not what the person in front of you is doing or saying at that moment. And it also creates tension, right? The dog wants to look, but you're saying, no, you can't. Once the dog starts doing duration, so now the dog sits there and will look at you for a full 5 seconds. Then you reinforce. The dog does that routinely. Now we're going to take it one step further. At this point, I want the dog to push me. All right, now I want the dog to say to me, hey, hello, I'm looking at you. Give me a reinforcer. So the dog does anything at all that looks like they're quote unquote, pushing you. The dog might lean in. The dog might close their mouth. The dog might sneeze. The dog might just increase the intensity with which they're looking at you. It stomps a foot. It offers a behavior, right? And the dog is saying, hey, I'm doing it. Now that's full engagement. I'm holding the food out. He understands it and stationary. Now we're going to have to add some motion to it. So if I'm teaching a dog how to heel and they keep losing engagement, I'll just hold my hand out. And the dog will go, oh, I understand.
Yes.